In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on the Smartsheet app. Whether you're crafting detailed project charts or simply trying to get a better look at your data, knowing how to adjust your view for clarity is a handy skill. Today we're focusing on using the Smartsheet app on a desktop browser. I'll walk you through a few different methods to help you zoom in, ensuring that it's both convenient and adaptable to your specific device, be it Windows or Mac. Let's start by exploring how you can use simple browser shortcuts to zoom in. If you're using a Windows system, the process is quite straightforward. You can easily zoom in by pressing the Control key and the plus sign plus key together on your keyboard. Try it out as you watch. It's a quick way to get a closer look at your documents without having to navigate through menus. Now, if you're on a Mac, the process is just as simple but with a slight variation. Hold down the Command key and then press the plus sign plus key. This will allow you to zoom in and get that enhanced view you might need when dealing with intricate spreadsheets or data sets. It's efficient, and as you repeat the action, the zoom level increases incrementally, meaning you can adjust it to your liking. Beyond just the keyboard shortcuts, let's discuss how you can adjust the zoom settings through your browser's menu. No matter what browser you're using, whether it's Chrome, Firefox or another, you'll notice some basic controls located in the upper right corner of the window. Look for an icon that appears as three dots or lines stacked vertically, depending on your browser type. Click on that icon and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see an option marked with a percentage. That's your current zoom setting. Clicking on this allows you to manually adjust the zoom level. Simply increase the percentage to zoom in. This is a useful option if you prefer using menus over shortcuts, or if you want to make finer adjustments to your zoom level that suit your viewing preferences. There you have it. With these easy steps, you can ensure the Smartsheet app is displayed exactly as you need it, optimizing your workflow and making it easier to work with your data. Remember, mastering these small but mighty techniques can significantly enhance your productivity, allowing you to focus better and ease the strain on your eyes. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to explore other videos for more tech tips and tricks. Happy zooming, and see you next time.